Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Vega hair straightener full guide. Plug in the tool and set a safe temperature for your hair type, typically low for fine hair and higher for thick hair. Comb each section gently, clamp near the root, and glide down in one steady motion. Repeat on each section, keeping passes minimal to reduce damage. Finish with a light serum for shine. Choose a temperature that matches your hair's needs, and always test on a small strand before committing. Start low and increase only if necessary to avoid excess damage. Remember that repeated high heat can weaken strands, so aim for the lowest effective setting. If you use heat protectant products, they can allow slightly higher temperatures while reducing risk. Patience and gentle technique deliver the best long-term results. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more helpful content. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is perfect to keep you hydrated during long styling sessions and fits easily on salon carts. I mention it because staying hydrated helps your hair and skin feel better while you style. Look in the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Start at the roots and glide the plates smoothly to the ends, keeping steady pressure without clamping too hard. Move at a consistent speed to avoid hot spots and allow the straightener to do the work. Always use a heat protectant and never apply the tool to wet hair. After styling, let hair cool before touching to lock the shape, and store the device safely once it has fully cooled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.